Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Suncorp Bank online checking and saving account in 2023. Suncorp Bank is a trusted financial institution in Australia, offering a wide range of banking solutions and exceptional customer service. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have the knowledge and confidence to set up your Suncorp banking account or checking and saving accounts, providing you with convenience and secure access to your financials. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser this could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and visit the Suncorp Bank website. So go to this URL section and simply type suncorp.com.au and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will normally take you to the home screen or main screen of the bank account right away, so you don't have to do anything else. And of course, if you have an account already, you can always go and log in into it because, as an example, if you have like, I don't know, credit card or an account already there, logging into your account will prevent from you doing a lot of boring steps while you're creating a new checking and saving account in this tutorial. So you will not have to provide your personal information again, verify your identity because you must have done it before. And of course, make sure to protect yourself against the fraud or scams is our priority. As you can see, you can learn more about this on how to protect yourself here because fraud and scams are very like spreaded in those days. So just keep that in mind and keep yourself secure. So you can simply from here, as you can see, so say no monthly account, keeping fees, and say yes to Carbon Insight. So banking you can feel good about. And of course, before. So as an example, if you don't know much about this bank, you can always scroll down, read more information about it. If you're hesitating to open a bank here, because a lot of people like will not just want to open a bank account on a bank that they know nothing about. So make sure to scroll down, read more information about it, knowledge yourself or familiarize yourself with it. Read more information that people say about it and just have an idea on mind. Then you can scroll down always and go to banking, and we want for us like everyday accounts and saving accounts. That's what we want. So here let's just go and start by everyday transaction account, which is going to be the checking account. So we have here everyday account, smart banking from Money Magazine, Bank of the Year, Suncorp Bank everyday account have, of course. So this is going to be the feature. No monthly accounts keeping fees with no deposits requirements or other string attached. And zero foreign currency conversion fees on Visa debit card purchases. So don't worry about like the conversion fees. And of course, a Visa debit card, access cash, shop online or in store, and plus make cardless payments with Apple Pay and Google Pay. So as you can see, our Carbon Insights account is the recipient of CanStar in 2023 Innovation Excellence Award. So that means they have an excellence bank. So we can compare our everyday account. So as you can see, we have here three solutions or three accounts depending on whatever suits you. So we have our everyday accounts with Carbon Insight, our everyday account, or our everyday account for low income earners and government benefits recipients. So we have here the Carbon Insights account, everyday option accounts, and everyday essential accounts. Of course, for the Carbon Insights account, you can open up to 6 sub accounts, organize your money to help you plan and save. You can look in higher rates, set aside saving with flexi rates, and of course an extra level of overdraft protection. You can get the Carbon Insight, and there's the online access, so digital only access to statements help reduce your carbon footprint. You can open an account in under 5 minutes. Of course, it's going to be the same for everything here. For the online or our everyday accounts, you can open again up to 7 sub accounts. You can look in higher rates and all access. You can enjoy 24/7 access online plus branch and phone banking. And for the last one, as you can see, our everyday accounts or essential accounts, you will have an extra level of overdraft protection, prevents most transactions from overdrawing your account, and enjoy the 24/7 access online plus branches and phone banking. So as you can see, depending on whatever suits you, you can simply go and click on open account. So let's say, example, I like this plan or this solution. I'll simply go here and hit the open account. So if you're an existing customer, as we said before, so you can click here. But if you're a new customer, click here on new customer. And that should take you to another page. And meanwhile, while it's loading, let's just go to saving accounts as an example. So saving accounts is going to be the same kind of. They will have 3 plans to choose from. So why choose a Suncorp bank saving or term deposit? So there is zero monthly fees forever. So with no deposit requirements and other string attached, earn interest on every dollar. No minimum monthly deposits required to earn interest, like not like other banks, and safe and secure. You can deposit up to 2050K are guaranteed, and so make sure that your money is secure. Here, if you scroll down, you'll find, as we said, three plans or three solutions. So you can save every month, growth saver, grow your saving faster with monthly bonus interest. So this is going to be the interest PA, and you can add. So of course, it's just this interest, bonus interest variable rates, and this is standard interest variable rates that could be added. And of course, if you scroll down, you can read like the features. So earn bonus interest every month, good for saving steadily towards a goal, and it's easy to save and manage your account online. So from here, you'll be able, as an example, to open now, and you'll be able even to find out more if you are not satisfied with those information. You can find out some more about it. Same is going to be for the set aside saving flexi rate. So this is going to be just the rate that you will get. So it's a fixed rate, and as you can see, you can view all the interest rates from here, and those are the features. You can find out more about it, then open it, and it's going to be the same for lockaway saving, term deposits. You can enjoy certainty of traditional term saving. This is going to be the interest rates on 7 months, 6 months, and as you can see, you can view all interest rates from here. So the features right here, you can find out more about here or open an account here. Let's just go back into here to finish like our applicants for the checking account. So as you can see before we begin, how many people are applying to an account holder, one or two, so a joint account or personal account. I'm just going to click one. I have read and agreed the privacy statement, privacy policy, and internet banking term conditions. Make sure to click on all of them and read them all. This is very important. A lot of people don't read that. It's very important so you don't have any problem with them in the future and you're aware of everything that could happen as an example. And as an example here, click on check. I have read and agree the above. And once you do so, of course, you'll be able to click on Let's Go. So be automatically registered from Internet Banking and etc. So click on Let's Go. And here you'll simply have to provide your personal information, verify your ID, and last check an account open. So in this account open, this example, so what's depending on whatever you choose here, you'll be able to add it to your checking account right here. So this is going to be a checking account. Once you fill all your information and reach the final step, here you'll be able to add a saving account. So just remember the name and simply add it here and review the terms and conditions for everything, accept it, and you'll be good to go. After 1 day or 2 business days, you will find yourself with your account ready to use and you'll be able to access your account and everything. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you now how or you know now how to create a Suncorp Bank online checking and saving account in 2023. So I wish you like financial prosperity and success on your journey ahead. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.